What would you like?
Some Pepsi. Alright. I went to my favorite place. It's not really my favorite place, but it's gonna be my favorite place because I've only been there twice. Look at this. I'm not showing you the name though. Because I gotta pay for my food. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ready? A slice of pizza, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Don't bite it. It's mine. Oh, so good. Thank you, Bobby. This is so good. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? What do you think it is? I think he's wrong. Oh, it's all like liquidy. Ooh, I said a little oil, girl. Let me get that away from my shirt. Oh, look at that deliciousness. Yeah. What? Maybe. Look at that. Get a plate.
No, I don't want to.
I thought you wanted a piece. Okay. Or not. Okay. Oh. Have you tried these? I've never seen these before. Am I focusing in? Can you see it? If you've tried these before, let me know. Because I haven't. And I'm going to. This pizza though. This pizza. Look at that. That is so good. There's a little more sauce. But it's really good. There's so much oil on this paper. Yep. See how that tastes. Using the pizza, let's sop up this oil. It's alright. Nothing special, but I see it? Look at, like, see through my paper. Where's everybody from? It does look good. Come over. I'll share with you. Like, I don't know if you can realize how big this is. This is definitely shareable. I'm not sharing this, though. Unless he wants it. But he won't. It got peppers and buffalo chicken. That's really good. Chicago. Maryland, DC. Those all sound like nice places. Oh, you know how like every place is known for something? Like where you're from, what are you known for? I think Chicago's like a hot dog, right? Where I'm from, I guess it's supposed to be beans, but I don't see where that came from, but Texas. I heard it's beautiful in Texas. I get a napkin. Have you been here? I haven't. Someone just gave me a cup. So. You see how thick that dough is? Like, I don't even want to eat the dough. I just want to eat the top. Because that dough's getting me full. And I want to eat some of that. I'm just hearing all kinds of like noises for no reason. It's almost already 4:30. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. I've been out all day. I went to one place to get my nails done. They were busy. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? My cats are about to like kill each other. So I went to another place. I got my nails done. They look horrid. Like, horrible. But you know what? They look better than they did when I went in. And that's what counts. Got my eyebrows did. I feel a lot better. That's like pretty big. It's a lot. It was $3.50. But, I mean, you can eat that for lunch and be good. Tomorrow's Friday. I got to go see my husband. What's everybody else's plans for tomorrow? I do the same thing every Friday. It's visiting day. Oh man, I have to do a, what's it called? A picture of my food. How should I do this? How should I pick up this bad boy? Like, what am I supposed to do? Look at that. That's like... That's huge. I don't think you're like really getting the, like, it weighs at least 2 pounds. It's a little crushed there. Can y'all see all this? Like, can you see? Oh, I just dropped it out. Oh, I really dropped it out. They putting whole peppers up on here. Papi. Yeah. Can you grab me a knife? And a spoon? I should probably eat the soggy side first, right?
What?
I'm gonna eat the soggy side first.
No, what'd you say? You need a knife?
A knife and a spoon.
For what?
I dropped all the stuff out and I was showing everybody. Actually, I can just put it right in here, one of them.
Do you need a spoon or no?
You want a plate so I can give you some?
No. Look at that spoon. That's a nice spoon.
I bought that.
Big spoon.
Mm-hmm. Figured it would be good for your cereal.
Right.
Oh, I fucked my eye up. I just hit myself in the eye with my hair. That's instant karma. Oh. Can you grab me paper towel.
Yes, ma'am.
He has such good manners, doesn't he? He has great manners. I love him. Thank you. I give you a compliment, and then you gotta go and do that. Can you just give me one of them? Thank you.
Cut me a little piece.
A little piece, or you want this?
piece.
You got the whole.
I don't want that big.
How big? This big?
No.
This one? You want this one? Get a plate.
No, not that one.
Get a plate. This much? This much?
Right there, but I want this side.
So you want this half?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna eat all that? That's a lot.
I'm gonna take all the stuff out of it.
That's a lot. Like, I don't think you can eat that much. I can't even cut through this.
Known for this moment.
Being a skinny boy.
No, I'm not skinny.
You are skinny. Jeez. I'm gonna drop out some of that.
I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you.
Okay. Oh, let me show them the plates. Look at. Aren't those pretty? See it?
60. Nice.
Mm-hmm. Go on, why don't you say hi?
No, I don't know.
I don't know them either. But you know what? Strangers are what?
Angels. Oh.
Friends you haven't met yet. And someone says that to you, that means they're a creep. And keep on walking, because it's true, but it's not true. I should just leave this here. Don't throw away, like, my good stuff.
No, I'm just putting it on the plate for you.
Okay. Like, I don't even know how to, like, get into this.
Yeah, that's why I like eating these big things. It's too big to eat.
Yeah, too big to eat. Yeah.
Oh.
Too big to eat.
Oh.
See.
Oh, I understand.
Did you? Because
Yeah.
I didn't understand, so
I understand.
I was just mocking you.
Nope. I understand.
Ready? Ready? It's going in. Oh, man.
Need some of those pickles, man.
It's too much oil, but that's okay.
God. These motherfuckers are vicious.
Can you hear them?
They have to.
My cats are living in such a hostile environment.
Yeah, like, they're so, like...
God.
It's like they're in prison, like, killed.
Yeah, like...
There's enough room for all you guys.
God. It's the big one that, like...
Want this?
No, yeah, just put it down.
Put what down?
Put it down here.
Oh.
I'll just put it in the box. You want those pickles?
No. There you go. Oh, my stomach's probably gonna be messed up. That lift.
Mm-hmm. All right, you ready? This bite's for you. I know, that's not as tempting. It doesn't have all, like, the good stuff on it.
Yeah.
It's still really good. It has capicola on it.
What's that? Gotta let the uncultured viewers know.
It's meat. Italian meat. If you didn't know. It's an Italian sub. With real Italian meat.
If you don't know, now
I
you
know.
know.
Most places do ham and salami. They think that's Italian. That's not Italian. I found my mukbang food. Because I guess, you know, you have to try things, see what you like. This is what I like. This is what I like. It's soggy. It's like, feel it. It's the sogginess. Anyone watching, do you do mukbangs too? Like, if you do, let me know. If you have a YouTube, I'll subscribe. Why not, right? Like, let's support each other. Let's all get a check. I see you. Alright. They're really about to fight. Let me put this down. Alright. I didn't even eat my hot chips. And alright. Well, I'm logging out. I'll be back later. Maybe not. I have to cook dinner soon. Take him to go lift weights. Oh, did I say that? Did he hear me? I told him I wasn't taking him. But he knew I was taking him. So drop him off in traffic because he's a baby. Alright. I'll see you later. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe not. Oh. Here you go. You can screenshot that. Add me. If you want. If you don't, that's cool. But if you watched the video this whole time, you should. You should just add me. But if you don't want to, that's cool. I don't mind. I do mind because I love you.